So cleaning up the kitchen. Cleaning up the kitchen. Sometimes my mom asks me to help her to clean the kitchen. First step, she removed of food smell stuff from the refrigerator and put all of them on the table. And she asked me to help her. Um, I get sponge. I get sponge and clean stuff from the food. Also, I get the sponge and wipe soap from plates and different dishes from food. Soap. I clean soap and food. Wipe. I wipe soap and food from plates. My brother also help to clean the kitchen. Sweeping. He sweeping. He's sweeping the floor. He's sweeping the floor. He's sweeping the floor. He's sweeping the dust. He's sweeping dirty. Yes. Sweeping the floor. He felt large. He used a large broom. He used the large broom to sweeping a floor on the kitchen, and also he used a large broom and dustpan and dustpan. Dustpan to clean dirty. Dustpan. He very good. He very good at cleaning the floor. That's it.